Oh, guys, it's been a while. Whose is this? Yours? Still good. I taste a little of your saliva. You don't have COVID, do you? What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Klinic. Thank you for tuning in this video. I don't know. Maybe it's the Mocha Frappe that's getting me. Hi. Okay, enough of this crap. We're gonna do a quick sneaker unboxing for you guys. Air Jordan. Can you guys see? Can you guys see my face? Air Jordan 13. Retro. Ooh, careful, it's kind of wet. Give me some cloths. Alright, this is the sexy OG style gray box that they used to have. Open this carefully. Bam! This is the Flint colorway. Why do I have a mask? I can't breathe. Let me get this out of the way. I don't want to do this kind of political kind of thing, but Dr. Fauci, yeah, we don't need masks. They don't do anything. Yeah, we need to wear a mask. Oh my god, let me catch my breath. You can't do this, you can't do this. Vaccine passport. Everybody just be safe with the passport, card, vaccination, passport, all that jumbo crap. Control, mandating everything. You can't even go to the toilet without being vaccinated. Oh my god. COVID, we gotta hate COVID, right? It's messing up everybody. But we're here to talk about the shoes and of course, my quick review on this Tim Hortons Mocha Frappe. I don't need to wear a mask when I'm by myself. Holy moly. I am so sorry guys. This is a very late review. I'm gonna keep this short and quick. Sexy white paper, nothing special. Size 12 because it is my size. Canadian, $240 freaking $5 plus tax is about $274. Smell test. It smells a little chemical-y. The inside insole, it is white with the red sexy jumpy Jumpman logo print. Do not cut yourself when you are removing this expensive shoe tree. Alright. Made in Chinois, made in China. Yeah, we don't give a crap. I'm gonna give my honest opinion right now. I love Air Jordan 13s, and that is why I picked this up. And honestly, a lot of the stores now, they sold out of the sizes, but you can still go to your local Foot Locker or whatever store. They should still carry this, I think. But yeah, I don't have the Flints, the original Flint colorway, but this remix, this kind of red coolness with the gray, the Flint gray, this is awesome. I actually think this is better than the Blue Flints. And yes, it is 3M. Bam! Check out the freaking photo I just took right now somewhere on this video. 3M upper, the panels, sexy. Really, really quick. This is the Panther Paws. Alright, this is inspired by the Black Panther, Michael Jordan back in the days on the court. Tinker Hatfield shoe, Panther eye hologram. I don't want to go through all these stupid details. White laces. Yeah, you got the little cool Jordan tab on the back there. Flip it back. It's 13 in Roman numerals. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't care if you can't. Bottom there, hologram, squishy little bubble there. Very awesome. Carbon fiber shank freaking plate with polka dots. Herringbone traction. Oh man, I love it. And of course, Zoom Air cushioning. If I am correct, this is full length Zoom Air, low profile. Oh my god, why am I talking so fast? Hold on. Blah, do not spill the freaking Tim Hortons on this shoe. This is fresh. No, it doesn't come with extra laces. The only thing I don't like is the front part here. Recent retros, I guess 6, 7, 8 years, I don't know. They changed the freaking leather so it doesn't wrinkle. Uh-oh. What am I doing? So they don't wrinkle as much. People don't like wrinkles, but I really wish they would bring back the full grain leather. But this still lasts pretty long. This kind of fake crap. I really hate the material because it's not real leather. It doesn't really matter. But I love the little dots here, all the little stitching, the circles representing the whiskers of the freaking cat, and of course triple stitching. You can't really see it because all the same color. This piping though, it is not reflective like the green colorway that came out I think last year. I can't remember. This is like a different kind of red. Gym red, black, flint, gray, white. Yeah, so this gym red color is actually pretty sick. It's not super bright. It's not dark, but I think they pulled this off perfectly. And yes, you get that fake suede gray all over. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't know, yes, this came out in 1996, 7. Check the little text. That's a little correction from my boo-boo. And you're wondering like, hey, where's the laces? It's a hidden lacing system. Back then, they're very, very popular to use hidden lacing system. But anyways, who cares about the freaking history? This shoe, this freaking Flint gym red colorway. If you slept on it, that's your problem. I didn't double up, and that's not a lie. I wanted to double up, but I'm like, you know what? I don't need so many of the same thing. I can't wait for the court purples coming out later on this year. I'm gonna double up on that. Going straight to feet. Yeah, let me give you a freaking 360. Paper straws are really good, but they're frick. Give me 1 second. Okay, that looked a little wrong in the video. Quick review. This is okay. It's melting. I love Mocha Frappe. Starbucks. I like it. Tim Hortons. Freaking delivery driver. They. Holy to replace the paper because I just ruined it. Maybe I should just exchange this for something else now. Oh my god! My wet freaking finger. You know what? I changed my mind. Tim Hortons Mocha Frappe. No, it's not good. Freaking. Oh. Damn it! No! Oh my god. Delicate paper. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I can't freaking... I can't collect this anymore. The paper's ruined. We're done? Oh my god, I'm getting tired. Can't stand this mess. The carbon fiber shank plate, what does it do? It's supposed to add support, anti-torsion, because basketball, you tend to do this a lot. I don't want to wreck my shoes right now. Anyways, what's next? What's the next video? Oh, that's a good one. You know what? Honestly, can't they make a mask with a little slit here for your mouth so that you can use zippers, velcros, in case you need to drink and still keep the mask on? That's actually a good idea. What do you mean Lee already thought about that? He already did that? In one of my other videos? Huh. Interesting. I taste a little paper now. Ugh.